Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create aggressive shake effect on CapCut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a project on my CapCut PC and I'm going to apply aggressive shake effect to this video. First thing first, we need to go to the effect menu and you are going to select the video effect and simply search for the shake effect. You can type in the shake like this and then you are going to select the shake effect you want to apply to your video, and I'm just going to choose this one guys. Okay, I'm going to download it and we can add this effect to our video. Okay, now the effect has been added and I'm going to make it super aggressive, so I'm going to increase the strength and the speed as well, and this is the final result. Alright guys, and that's all the way to create aggressive shake effect on CapCut PC. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.